In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a guest in Ownerrez. To get started, open Ownerrez and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main areas of the platform, and it's the quickest way to move to the section you need. From that left side menu, click on Contacts. This will take you to the area where guest and contact records are stored. If you manage a lot of reservations or have a long contact list, this page may include many entries, so take a moment to locate the specific guest you want to remove. Once you find the guest you want to delete, click on that guest record to open it. This brings you into the guest details page, where you can review the profile before making any permanent changes. It's always a good idea to quickly confirm that you've selected the correct guest, since deleting a record is an action you generally can't undo. After the guest profile opens, look again to the left-hand side of the screen. In this area, you should see available actions related to that guest record. Find the option labeled Delete Guest and click on it. As soon as you do that, Ownerrez will display a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete this guest. This extra step is there to help prevent accidental deletions, which is especially useful if you're working quickly or managing multiple guest profiles at once. If you're certain that this is the correct guest and you want to remove the record, click Yes, Delete. After that, the guest will be deleted from Ownerrez. That's all there is to it. The process is simple. Go to Ownerrez, open Contacts from the left-hand menu, find and select the guest, click Delete Guest, and then confirm by choosing Yes, Delete. One quick tip before you finish. Always double-check the guest record before confirming deletion, especially if the contact has a similar name to another person in your system. Taking that extra second can help you avoid removing the wrong record. And that's how to delete a guest in Ownerrez.